it's Chef Maia, the famous chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maia, everything's good. 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 Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we are making grilled cheese, and it's gonna be really good. So let me just remind you that my birthday is in 9 days, and I can't wait. Our goal is 100 subscribers by then, so if you just hit that subscribe button, that'll be really nice. And if you don't make it, that's totally fine. Our goal originally was 100 by the end of August. So yeah. And I also right now I'm making a cookbook that I'm gonna start selling later once it's finished. And yeah. So let's get on with the video. So first, what we need to have grilled cheese is 2 slices of bread. So I'm using white bread. You can use any bread, but we just got this yesterday because we usually don't eat white bread, but I just wanted to try white bread. So I'm using white bread. It doesn't matter what brand; they're all the same. So, anyways, also be needing 2 tablespoons of butter. So have that. A small container. A little knife because we're cutting the butter. Okay, I can't say this, so I can't really say it, so don't make fun of me. Okay. Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, so you need Monterey Jack cheese. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I think it is. Doesn't matter what brand. I just got this from Giant, and yeah. It could be the shredded type or the slice type, the little slices or something, or the block of Monterey Jack cheese, and you just cut some, like I did before. We'll be needing a little bit of salt, so the salt shaker. And I think that's it, yep. So first, with our first step, we are going to go ahead, cut 2 tablespoons of butter, sorry, my cuts look weird. I don't know why. Okay. Alright, so once we got our 2 tablespoons of butter, you want to go ahead and put it in a small container. Put it in the microwave for 45 seconds until it's melted. So do that, and I'll see you guys next. Hey guys, now that we have our melted butter, we want to go ahead and get our bread. You really actually want a cooking brush for this, not a painting brush, because that's toxic. No, I'm not really sure, but don't use a paint brush. Use a cooking brush that they usually use, there's these different brushes that you can use. You probably know what I mean, but anyways, I'm just gonna use a knife, and so lay your 2 slices like this. And then drizzle half of it on top of 1 slice of bread, only on one side. And spread it out on top. Make sure it gets all soaked in. This is, yeah. Just with the rest on, we won't be using it for anything else. Alright. Now that, wait. Almost done, wait. Use all the rest up. Now you can put that away. And so this is the butter side is the side that we're holding on to, not like the side where you put the cheese on. And what we want to do is put some salt on top. I guess you can kind of spread it out if you can. I don't know. Let's put a little salt, not that much because we don't want it to be that salty. But at the same time, it's good when it's salty. So, okay, that's all I'm going to do. And so it should look like this. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's getting there. So, now what we want to do, I'm not really sure if I told you guys to get a small pan or medium pan. But anyways, get one if you didn't. And I'll show you guys what to do. Okay guys, welcome back. So I think this is how I'm going to be doing it, like putting the camera over here, not on this side because it's a little weird. So once we got our pan, we want to go ahead, want to go ahead. We don't need to put any butter on here. Or spray or something, because there's butter on the bread. So what I'm gonna do is put it at low heat. I'm gonna do low for now. Actually, what does the burner look like? Let's do medium. Yeah. Alright, so next what we want to do, go ahead, put one slice of bread, butter side down, so it looks like this. Sorry, this is a little dangerous. That's good. So just let that go on top for a second. Sure it heats up and stuff. Then you want to do, go on there. Then you want to go ahead. Get your Monterey Jack cheese. Sorry, I was about to say Monterey Jack cheese. Okay. Anyways, get your Monterey and sprinkle it on here. Or if you have the slice type, just like lay them down and cut them and lay it. Okay, it's doing something. That's how much cheese we're putting. Then put the other side, butter side up and put it on there. Then you want to go ahead, get a spatula. Let me just show you what this looks like. It looks like this. It's gonna be really good. Oh my gosh. That's good. So let that be. And then get a spatula. I got my special golden spatula. Press it down a little bit. Then once the cheese is melted and the two sides stick, you want to flip it over in that. So make sure each side is brown because we like brown food. Because brown food tastes good. Sorry, I watch Worst Cooks in America a lot. Okay. I'm just going to get this burnt cheese over here. Alright, so cheese that wasn't like really on the bread is probably going to be burnt, but you can keep it there. It doesn't really matter. I'm just kind of getting it out while we wait. I don't know. Yeah. So, starting to melt. I'm not going to time lapse this part because I want you guys to see everything I do. I wish I could like show you guys what I'm doing at the same time, but I'll try to do that. Because I'm using an iPad and the little stander that has the light towards me, it only holds phones, and I don't have a phone, so yeah. Cheese is starting to melt. Oh, yes. Okay, that looks good. This is what we want. It's not burnt, but it's going to taste good. And we don't want burnt food. Anyways, so just keep pressing it down. You don't want it to make it like a pancake, so don't press down that hard, but you know what I mean. This looks really good. Can't wait to try this. Then while you're at it, if you want, you can sprinkle some salt on top. And yeah, that's done. Okay. You can get a new plate. I'm just going to use this plate because it's all the same thing on there. Doesn't really matter. So, to turn this off first, put this away. Okay. I'm just going to keep it here. But let's go ahead and go over here. Okay, we got our sandwich. This is the other side. Ooh, the other side. I'm gonna put a little salt on top. Go ahead and put away your cheese. Your bread and all the things that we use. And yeah. So, let's go ahead and try. This is so good. Oh my gosh. This has to be the best thing I've made on this show. This is so good. It's soft. It's a good texture. It's really good. It's a little salty, which is good. And yeah. I'm gonna have to make 1,000,000 of these. Wow. Now I really know why my friends really wanted grilled cheese every single day. Wow. Oh. Anyways, guys, I liked using Monterey Jack cheese because it's like my favorite cheese, like literally. Also, I got this recipe from a cookbook that I found in the library last year. Well, it's close to last year, like more like a couple months ago or something. And so yeah. Or no, not a couple months. You know what I mean. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys make this recipe. It's so good. And no, if you don't think it's good, it's totally fine. It's your opinion, but my opinion, it's the bomb. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and please like. And yeah. And I will see you guys next episode, which I believe we are making s'mores. So it's going to be really fun. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. Everything's good.